Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. So I found out that using the aerosol can spray with the oils in them like Pam and Crisco and different things like that, great brands by the way, but the propellant in them could be a little, not so good for us. They actually use, or most of them use, propellants in them, which consist of butane or isobutane or propane. That's like basically the ingredient that is used to start your fires. So that's not too healthy for our foods. It's not the most healthy. So let me show you what you can use instead. Okay guys, so this is the Crisco that I usually use to spray on my food or either in my air fryer or pan so that my food will not stick when I'm cooking it. I got concerned, first of all, when I went to, I believe it was Dollar Tree, and I don't know what brand they used there, but it was a brand at Dollar Tree. And I, was going to get some cheaper, for $1 than using the Crisco and the Pam. And I looked on the back and it said that it had a propellant in it. I was not happy about it. I was concerned. So I started, I looked it up, and sure enough, most of the oils or most of the aerosol sprays, food sprays, have a propellant in them. And a propellant is something to get the product up out of the can, especially if you're using aerosols and different things like that. So I got on Amazon. I said, well, let me see if I can find, a bottle or something that's not BPA, that does not have BPA in it, because I'm concerned about all of that too, and the plastics and the glass. And I found one. I was so excited about it. So it cost a little, but to me it was worth it because I don't want propellants in my food, getting on my food and things like that, and me consuming it. And the propellant that's usually used in these products is butane, isobutane, or propane. Yes, that's what I said. Butane, isobutane, or propane. So yeah, basically like a petroleum-based type substance, and that's not the most healthy for you. And I was very concerned about that. So I was glad when I went online and found these on Amazon. I purchased two. You can purchase one. I think they're $8.99, and they come in these nice little pump bottles here, and it sprays out really nice. I've already sprayed it out, and I'm going to show you how well it works on camera if you like it. And you can go down in my link below. You can purchase it there on Amazon. It'll link you right to the product on Amazon, and you can purchase it. But I got two for $17, and I thought that was pretty good. It comes with two brushes, comes with a brush in each box, and then a funnel in each box. So this is the first one that I'm using. They can be used for, spritzing your oils, or you can use them for vinegar, with vinegar in it to spray your salads. You can put a vinegar dressing in there, mix up your own dressings and things, and spritz your salad. So I was excited about that because you all know I love my salads. So I'm going to kind of concoct up some kind of dressing, vinegar dressing, and try it on my salads. But I thought that was pretty neat too. So anyway, I'm going to show you how it works. Let me show you how to fill this up. This is some extra virgin olive oil that I got from Aldi's. This is the kind that I use. And what you do is you just pour it right into the funnel that's provided with the bottle. And it's very, very easy. Just pour it slowly. And it only takes about a minute to fill. Last little bit. There we go. I guess the end of the spout was too close to the oil. But it's 90 milliliters. And it fills in less than a minute. Very easy. I only spilled one drop. So it fills up very easy. No spillage or anything down here. So I only spilled that one drop. So it's very easy to fill. And you just put the top on like so and screw it on. And there you go. All nice and neat into the bottle. So let me show you how it works. It holds 100 milliliters. I just stopped it at 90 milliliters, but it holds 100 milliliters. It is, let me show you, a little bit shorter than my hand. And let me show you how it sprays out. Hopefully you can see the mist. So I'm just doing some breaded items today. These are breaded chicken breasts and also shrimp. So I'm going to stick them in the oven and I'll show you how easy it comes off afterward. So it's coming out. Let's see how it works. Let's see. Get the tongs. Slides around. Perfect. Very good. That's a good sign. So it works really good, you all. Got the wrong way. Oh, that slides right over too. So it works very good. There you go. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Like I said, I bought 2 of them. They were like 2 for $17. Each of them came with a brush. Each of them came with a funnel. So, yeah, help to make your food more healthier for you and your family. All right, be blessed. I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Oh, and the link is down below for the product, and it links you right to Amazon where you can purchase both. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.